Pick up yourself and we are doing your man. What's it, my king? Hold on, Ginger. Well, before we do anything, all those who respect God and Jah, can I say our? It's a blessing to be added another year, each and every year. That's how I play, my king. Your general, are you the most expensive mineral? That's why you see me in a black like it's a funeral. Oh, what them talk about now? Happy birthday, my bridging from another mother. He done now. No matter how the devil try to stop it, but they'll never can win. But this lemon. Dada. Then I bring my motor, dig to the flame, and you change my game. No one lie. You put the value in on me. This is no lie. So now my people. Jenna. Yeah. I would like to say many thanks to each and everybody.